Middleton homeowners know the charm of living in a community that blends small-town comfort with practical living. But like many places, Middleton experiences seasonal shifts that can make homes less comfortable if windows aren't doing their job. Drafty windows are a common complaint, leading to chilly winters, stuffy summers, and higher energy bills. Fortunately, new windows provide a simple yet highly effective solution. By replacing old, worn-out windows with modern designs, you can enjoy improved comfort, reduced drafts, and greater peace of mind. Why drafts are a problem in Middleton homes? Drafts are more than just an inconvenience. They affect how you feel inside your home every day. Temperature imbalance. Drafts let in cold air during winter and hot air in the summer, creating uneven temperatures from room to room. Energy waste. Your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a stable temperature, raising your utility bills. Indoor discomfort. Drafts often create cold spots near windows, making it hard to relax, work, or sleep comfortably. In Middleton, where seasonal weather brings both chilly nights and warm afternoons, drafts can be a year-round problem. How new windows block drafts. Modern windows are designed with advanced materials and technology that make them far superior to older styles. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple layers with insulating gas between panes reduce air leakage and block outside temperatures from creeping in. Improved seals and weather stripping. New windows use tight seals that eliminate gaps where air once passed freely. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood frames resist warping and shrinking, which are common causes of air leaks in older windows. With these upgrades, new windows act as a solid barrier against drafts, creating a consistently comfortable environment inside your home. Year-round comfort in Middleton. One of the biggest advantages of new windows is how they keep your home comfortable in every season. Winter warmth. No more sitting near a window with a blanket to fend off cold air. New windows keep the heat inside where it belongs. Summer cooling. Energy-efficient coatings and insulated glass help reduce heat transfer, keeping your rooms cooler without overworking the air conditioner. Stable temperatures. By eliminating drafts, new windows prevent hot and cold spots, so every room feels more comfortable. This balance makes your home a more enjoyable place to live, no matter the weather outside. Savings. You can feel comfort is priceless, but Middleton homeowners also notice financial benefits after installing new windows. Lower energy bills. Sealing out drafts means your HVAC system runs more efficiently, cutting monthly costs. Reduced maintenance. Durable frames and advanced glass last longer and require less upkeep, saving time and money. Extended system life. Because your heating and cooling systems don't work as hard, they tend to last longer, reducing repair and replacement costs. Over time, these savings can help offset the cost of upgrading your windows. Added benefits beyond comfort. While reducing drafts is the most immediate benefit, new windows bring additional perks. Noise reduction. Modern windows block outdoor sounds, making your home quieter and more peaceful. Curb appeal. Sleek frames and fresh designs enhance the look of your home both inside and out. Increased value. Buyers recognize the long-term benefits of energy-efficient, draft-free windows, which can boost resale value. These extras make new windows one of the smartest home improvements you can invest in. Final thoughts. Drafty windows don't just make your Middleton home uncomfortable, they waste energy, raise bills, and reduce your overall quality of life. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows solves these problems, sealing out drafts while providing year-round comfort. With professional installation and the right choice of styles and materials, you'll enjoy a home that feels warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and more efficient every day. If you're tired of dealing with cold spots and rising utility bills, now is the perfect time to explore new window options for your Middleton home. Comfort, savings, and style are just a window replacement away.